Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to minimize YouTube on Android. If you want to minimize your YouTube on your Android, first of all, of course, you have to open YouTube application on your phone. And then you can click on the recent button on the bottom of your screen like this. And then you can swipe your screen and you can click on the YouTube icon right here, and then choose open in pop-up view. Okay, and then you can adjust the window according to you by tap and hold on the YouTube window. And okay guys, that's how we can minimize YouTube on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.